Decades of pressure and friction can leave the sole of a foot encased in layers of dry, hardened skin. Here, every ridge and fissure tells that story. A stainless steel file gently shaves away the dense callus, revealing fresher layers beneath. A pumice stone smooths
The thickened yellow areas on the heel and under the big toe are calluses, layers of skin created to withstand repeated pressure. When we walk or stand, the heel and the ball of the foot absorb most of the body's weight. This visualization shows the zones that bear the highest.
In the center of the heel, layers of callus have built up over time. They're compacted, dry, and as rigid as weathered bark. Using a scalpel, we can remove them in controlled, wafer-thin sheets, exposing the healthier skin underneath.
Here, at the ball of the foot, layers of dead skin have thickened from repeated pressure and friction. This callus is made of densely packed, compacted keratin cells. Under magnification, you can see the ridged pattern where skin lines have been compressed and fused together.
The blade is set flat against the heel, just enough pressure to engage the outer layer. Each short stroke lifts a thin sheet of dry skin, leaving the newer layers smooth and flexible. Notice how the hardened surface begins to crack and curl away, exposing healthier tissue beneath. Controlled exfoliation.
Here, the thickened outer layer of the heel has begun to separate. Using a precise, angled blade, we ease the sheet away, taking care not to disturb the healthy skin beneath. As it lifts, notice the translucent quality and the network of fine cracks. Evidence.
Here, the outer layers of the heel are magnified. The pale, translucent sheet lifting away is the stratum corneum, compressed keratin that has hardened into a callus. In this area, the callus measures just over 1 millimeter thick, far denser than the surface.
Here at the heel, the outermost layer of the epidermis is beginning to lift on its own. These pale sheets are composed of compacted, dehydrated keratin cells that have reached the end of their life cycle. As they peel away, you can see the smoother, newly regenerated skin beneath.
With the skin held taut, the blade glides just beneath the outer layer of dead cells. Watch how the edge lifts a single, continuous sheet. This thickened patch has been building pressure with every step. In one smooth motion, it's released, uncovering.
The heel is covered by a thickened layer of dead skin. When it dries, it hardens into a brittle sheet. With a steady pull, it separates from the healthy tissue underneath, revealing hydrated, renewed skin that glows a soft pink.
Here, the left side of the heel has been gently debrided, revealing healthy, pink underlying skin. The right side still carries the original callus. Outline graphics show the difference in thickness. The remaining callus measures about 1.8.
A callus is simply the skin's armor, densely packed cells built to withstand pressure. Under magnification, its layered architecture becomes clear. Here, the outer stratum is lifted away in thin, translucent sheets.
Under magnification, the heel's callus looks like a miniature landscape of compressed, dehydrated skin cells. Each stratum is bonded over months of pressure. As the top layer is lifted, it reveals the translucent sheet that once protected the foot. Beneath, a thicker, denser plate follows, its interior pattern.
After the callus was carefully removed, the ball of the foot looks like this: smooth, supple, and evenly toned. Natural lines remain, but the rough buildup that once sat here is gone. A light moisturizing finish gives the skin a healthy sheen and keeps it resilient against pressure.
Along the outer border of the heel, larger cells compress and harden where pressure is greatest. With a rounded scalpel, we carefully plane the surface, removing only the non-viable layers. Each stroke reveals a lighter, more flexible skin beneath, while
the joint beneath the big toe bears more than half of the body's weight with every step. In dry conditions, microscopic platelets of dead skin collect here, creating roughness and increasing friction. This overlay maps the pressure gradient, showing the zones most likely to rub against footwear and form calluses.
The rotating head works methodically from the heel toward the arch, lifting away compacted skin cells without abrasion. Controlled, overlapping passes ensure the entire surface is evenly smoothed, while the second hand keeps the foot steady and relaxed.
The sole is one of the hardest working surfaces of the body, yet when cared for properly, it can remain remarkably smooth. A rich emollient moisturizer is applied in thin layers, allowing the skin to absorb without residue. Gentle.
After the treatment, the heel shows a uniform, matte surface. Fine lines remain visible, but the rough, dry edges are gone. The skin is supple, even in tone, and reflects light softly without gloss. Hydration has filled the tiny furrows, creating a
clean, moisturized skin is the foundation of healthy feet. After cleansing, a lightweight cream is massaged into the instep to lock in hydration and improve suppleness. Gentle circular pressure encourages circulation and comforts the muscles. Nails are shaped